Hi everyone, I'm Mark from Dynamic Sport Physio. Today I want to show you guys the exercise that I do because I'm getting a lot of people asking me questions. How do I loosen up the muscles on the side of the hip? You know, this is quite an interesting muscle because it can affect, it can tighten up when you do prolonged sitting or prolonged standing, usually use the sustained positions. But one of the things that it does is also it helps with knee recovery after if you have stiffness in the knee or pain into the knee when you do exercise. This is a great exercise to release that tension in the knee joint. So all you need is a foam roller, and we're going to roll out the side of our thighs. So to start off with, we have the roller onto the floor, and then we want to put one hand on one side. We're leaning sideways, and let's see whether you're able to put the roller underneath the side of your thigh. Once you're in position, you can slowly bring yourself down onto your elbows. You can see that my top leg is down onto the floor, supporting my body weight, so it is not too painful for the people with tight side of the thigh muscle. And the lower leg, we want to have it free to move around. So once it's in position, very, very gently we can roll upwards and roll downwards. So that's our standard position. I have my arm here for support in the lower body, the top arm here, and here supporting my weight so I can actually turn forwards if I want to increase the amount of pressure. So I'm leaning forwards, and normally you'll feel the increase in that soreness in that muscle. Now don't forget to go all the way down towards your knee and all the way up into the thigh. So feel free to move your hands so you can target every part of the side of your hip. Okay, now if this is easy for you, don't really feel too much, you want to have more pressure onto the side, the top leg is stretched out, and then lift this up, all the weight is going through the side. So gently roll through. The slower you go and more breathing, the better coming through. And again, you can go slightly forwards to target more the deeper segments of that side. And if your knee is the segment that's stiff, don't forget to spend more time right close to the knee joint, just right above the knee joint, and rolling that out. Okay, so once you're on it, we recommend normally 2 minutes when you're rolling out the side of the thigh, and to ensure that all the muscles gets released out. It is possible to get to the stage where you don't get any of that soreness on the side, so you can get that release on the side of your hip. So 3 quick tips on doing this exercise. When you're on the side, don't forget to move. Demonstrate again, move nice and slowly. The slower you go, the more you can feel the roll at work. The second thing is to breathe through the movement. Big breath in and big breath out. And then the last thing to watch out for is how to increase or decrease the pressure. If it is just too sore, then turn to face upwards towards the ceiling a little bit. We talked about this. If you want a little bit more, then we want to turn forwards to increase the amount of pressure onto that side. Similarly, you can just lift or have your top leg onto the floor to take the pressure off. So you need the right amount of pressure to ensure that you feel like you can still withstand the pressure and you're getting that release going through. So if you like this video, please share. So if you find that people can benefit from this exercise, let your friends know. Otherwise, we will see you next time. Bye.